Welcome to this gorgeous home located at 31321 Via Las Palmas in San Juan Capistrano, California. This incredible home has literally been reimagined from the ground up. This modern farmhouse is the pinnacle of design, craftsmanship, and California living.
When they all meet together.
I can't believe what I'm seeing. I'm literally looking at panoramic views of the rolling hills of San Juan Capistrano. There's 4 bifold cantina doors that open up to the private oasis. Is this kitchen not remarkable? Look at this oversized island, and yes, this is Calcutta Marble. And oh my goodness, look at this Wolf 60-inch dual fuel range. I'm in love. Now I want you to notice the fine details in this home. Are you noticing the custom cabinetry? The backsplash is marble as well. There's actually custom skylights throughout the entire house. And you not only have one Sub-Zero refrigerator, you actually have 2. I'm in the primary bedroom, and let me tell you, the upgrades don't stop here. You have 2 beautiful French doors, you have high ceilings, you have your own private fireplace that's surrounded by these beautiful custom built-ins. If this isn't an entertainer's dream, I don't know what is. If you would like to take a private tour of this incredible home, please contact me directly. My name is Audra Lambert at 949-697-2232. Thanks for taking the tour.